The biggest AI software sale of the year is officially live. For a limited time, you can get up to 40% off our best-selling AI apps, tools that help you create websites, videos, graphics, and more, all designed to scale your business faster than ever. And here's the best part: no monthly fees, no credits, and no hidden charges. Choose the app you want and unlock everything with a simple one-time payment. Black Friday doesn't come twice. This is your moment to access premium features, speed up your workflow, and elevate every project without overspending. With savings up to 40%, there's truly no better time to upgrade your toolkit. Don't miss out. Use the coupon codes below to get instant discounts. Then check the link for full product details and grab your favorites before the sale ends. Because of the huge demand, rock-bottom pricing, and massive discounts, this offer won't last long. Once it's gone, it's gone. Our AI-powered tools are built to help you work smarter, create faster, and produce professional quality results with ease. And with these Black Friday savings, now is the perfect time to get started. Click the link below to claim your special discount.